Welcome dear friends, this is Laboratories YouTube channel. In this video we will look at sample cue card, describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time. So now let's look at question the way it can be asked in the exam. Describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time. The following cues can be covered: what it is, when do you usually do it, why do you do it, and explain why you think it wastes your time. Now we will look at the sample answer for this cue card. Let's begin. Well, I take part in various activities on a daily basis, and most of them are constructive while others are useless. Here, I would like to talk about an activity that wastes my valuable time, which is playing games on mobile. Actually, playing video games is my hobby, which I do every day in my free time. I play many video games after school hours, but my favorite game is PUBG, which I play online with my brother and friends. I spend so much time playing games on my mobile, which makes me feel relaxed. But this wastes a huge amount of my time, which I can easily use for my other important tasks. Because of this, I don't spend much time with my family and friends, and they usually make complaints regarding this. Now, I have become so much habitual of video games that I can't stop myself from playing them. I have to say, I have gained a lot of weight because I hardly do any physical activity. Since it's a passive activity, I don't go out with my friends for playing outdoor games, which is the major cause of my obesity related problems. I play video games to refresh my mind, but when I lose a match, I feel even more stressed and exhausted. Due to all these reasons, now I think I should stop this habit. Instead of games, I should wisely use my time learning new skills or improving my health. So, this is the passive activity that wastes my precious time. Now, we will look up at the follow-ups for this cue card that can be asked in the exam. First one is, how do you balance work and life? Well, to be honest, work life balance is certainly difficult to manage in today's lifestyle. I do so by equally giving time to everything related to my personal and professional life. I always try to give my best at job in my working hours, and I spend sufficient time with my family members after work. Will you continue doing something when you are aware that it wastes your time? Of course, I will definitely try to quit that habit. I know it's very difficult to stop doing something that is habitual for me, but once I realize it, I will try my best by spending my time on other productive activities. Next question is, what kind of things make people pressured? As far as I am concerned, there are a myriad number of things that create pressure on individuals' minds. People feel stressed due to their personal issues and health problems. Then They remain under pressure to perform well in their jobs or in their studies so they can achieve something great. Finally, they are under stress due to their financial problems. Next question is, why do some people refuse to abide by the rules? I believe some individuals don't follow rules because they consider themselves better than others. Such types of people think that they are superior to others in many ways. So, they don't need to follow any rules and regulations. So, these were the follow ups for this cue card. We hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll live on following social media networking websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you.